Up for sale here is a 1960 Rambler American. The last year of this beautiful round body style. And it's a West Coast car. I could find very, very little rust deterioration in this car. It's been disassembled by an elderly owner to restore, and it looks like he kind of gave up on the project. The motor is finished. It's the Big 6. I think it's a 196 inline 6-cylinder. Beautifully done. He detailed this quite nice. It has a lot of re-chromed parts. Both bumpers are beautifully re-chromed. Here are the brackets, and most of these are completely rusted out, and this is a jewel, absolute jewel. Look at those parts. I don't think this car has ever been in a collision. Ready for someone to have a lot of fun pulling it back to original or making a hot rod out of it.